Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to talk about how to solve nonlinear systems, which are systems who involve functions that are more complicated than just two linear functions, or more as the case may be. And because of this, each system must be solved on a case-by-case basis. There is no one unique method that works for them all. If we were given this system, where y and x are squared in one of the equations, we would see in the equation below it, we can get y directly fairly easily, as 1 minus 2 times x, so we plug this into the first equation. We now expand the 1 minus 2x squared, and simplify everything into terms of a quadratic expression in standard form. Once we solve the quadratic equation, we get x equals -1, or 9/5. So we substitute in these values, and we get two separate values for y as well, which would be 3 and -13/5. We can see that one of the equations is a linear equation, and that one of the equations gives us a circle by the geometric definition of a circle, so we can confirm our work is accurate by drawing out these graphs. It is also possible to use the method of elimination with nonlinear systems too, as this example demonstrates. We see that y and -y, or y squared and -y squared in this instance, automatically eliminates itself. So we get 3x squared equals 12, which means x squared equals 4, or x equals positive or -2. We plug this in into one of the equations, and see conveniently we get 8 both times for the product involving x squared. So now we have only one equation to solve for in terms of y, as opposed to having two for two different values of x. When we solve it, we get y equals positive or -4, which means we have 2, 4, -2, 4, 2, -4, and -2, -4 as all possible solutions, which is accurate if we graph out the functions. Now that we've done a recap of different algebra concepts, we can move on to calculus concepts next, although we start with trigonometric equations first, because they will often show up in our work in calculus. But trigonometry is different than algebra, although we will see that they use methods from algebra as we look at specific examples. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.